Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we're doing a PS5 HDMI Port Replacement. However, it's one of the newer models and the whole layout is different. I was just kind of tripping out on it. The whole damn thing's different. Alright, the port's prepped, let's get it off. No torn pads, I will take it. Alright, so we just gotta get this old factory solder off so we could get some fresh quality solder on and a new port on. I always like to clear it out like so. So there actually is a torn pad, but it's a ground pad luckily, so we will not need to restore it. Take my solder. There we go. Alright, let's get this new port on. Get this out of here. Still got a blue light. And we are back in action. Alright, we are good. Be sure to smash that like button, hit the notification bell, drop a comment, and go ahead and subscribe.